replacing a 2016 door speaker. That's my old one that I'm gonna put this one from the other door. Things you need: an adapter. I got this from Amazon. Screwdriver or Phillips tip. Some screws, some panel removing, and a flathead. Let's get to it. First thing you want to remove this panel. Pretty easy. This one, hold it right there. Second.
You want to get in here? Put your screwdriver and press down to remove this lid. Make it a little harder, tricky. It'll come off.
Okay, popped off. That one popped off kind of hard, but what you want to do? You want to come in there and press on this down to release that. It's gonna reveal 2 screws.
Get the screwdriver. Panel remover. Start from this corner. Start from this corner.
You don't want to push it up, you want to bring it out like this. It has a hook right there. Disconnect your window. One more screw.
Alright. What I'm gonna do?
Come down under the seat and pull it out. Just has a bunch of clips. Once you get it out, you can use your hands. Lift it up. Then back here, it has this clip.
Right here. Use this screwdriver to lift this up.
There's one more in the back. And then there's one clip that holds the door. There. Door is out. Cut. I'm gonna take out the speaker. Lift up. Disconnect. Can you grab your adapter? Put it in here.
Screw this back.
Use your adapter that came with the kit. I'm gonna grab my speaker.
Connect this.
With a magnet. I'm gonna grab 4 screws. I have these, so you can use any type that will fit. Before putting the door back, make sure it works.
Putting the door back. Let's do this. Make sure the clips go in. 1, 2, and 3.